For us, the twins are our first truly global offering. And therefore, we took many steps back to understand what we really need to do.
So therefore, it was a challenge to say we have to take out time and space and also upgrade our capability, mindsets, behaviors.
Doing first thing right should be the approach for everybody, and that everybody loves to do that. But how do I do that? That becomes a question.
A particular one of these processes that we've been able to bring in is from Japan. It's called Shokyuryo Kanri process.
So SRK is like more of inspection, controlling, and ensuring the product meets the requirement. So the main focus of SRK process is to ensure the customer has a very good experience on the product.
More than 700 parts, and all those critical parameters at a process level and at a part level has been confirmed 200% by two different agencies.
When we get that issues, we actually get to know what would be the problem, troubleshoot the issues. In that way, SRK process would be helping us.
That has helped us really ensure that nothing goes out in the field which shouldn't be going out in the field.
It's really a hard one, but if you see the end results, it's really worth producing it, because end of the day, we are going to make a product and it is really highly reliable to the customer's hand.
It just feels strong and fit and sturdy. That's what the product feels right now.
Or the fact that motorcycles still have to be fun. They cannot be so expensive or unattainable or so complicated that you stop having fun on motorcycles. So I think we remain grounded and we offer something that's authentic, but also fun.